If you peel the banana and then press the end with your fingers, it splits into 3 segments like this. Today, let's dissect a banana. A banana is a fruit that comes from plants belonging to the Musa genus. If you understand the characteristics of banana flowers, you can learn more about bananas. The flower of a banana is often mistaken to look like this. But in fact, that is not the banana's flower. The part that looks like purple petals is actually an organ called the bract, which is a leaf, not a flower. The actual flowers of the banana are the small structures visible above that. Banana flowers look like this, with the lower ovary portion developing into bananas. Female flowers cluster densely around a long flower stalk, forming a tight arrangement. Since these flowers ultimately transform into bananas, the bananas also hang in bunches from the flower stalk. So, when we look at the upper part of the bananas, you can see traces of the attachment to the flower stalk. Not only that, but the evidence of the transformation from flower to fruit also remains inside the banana. Now, let's proceed to dissect the banana. First, if you look at the end of the banana, there's a dark, blunt area, right? This part was originally a flower. The upper part of the flower withers and falls off, leaving behind only traces. And in the female banana flower, the inside of the ovary is divided into 3 spaces. And this characteristic still remains inside the banana. So, remove the peel from the banana, and after gently poking it with awl, when you press the flesh's end with your fingers, the flesh divides into 3 segments. If you press all the way to the end, the banana neatly separates into 3 parts. Fascinating, isn't it? Then, after preparing a new banana, cutting the peel off, when you extract the flesh, it's a significant characteristic of bananas that all the tissues of the fruit are this soft. However, oddly enough, there are no seeds inside the banana. Thanks to this, we can enjoy them conveniently. But, in reality, the absence of seeds in a fruit is quite unusual for a plant. The purpose of fruit is to spread seeds, which is why. So, in reality, the inside of wild bananas is filled with seeds like this. Wild bananas are pollinated by bats or birds, resulting in fruit formation. However, the bananas we eat are improved varieties of mutant individuals that can produce fruit without pollination. Since seeds aren't formed without pollination, that's why these seedless fruits are created. Though there are no seeds, traces of underdeveloped ovules that would have become seeds still remain. The black dots inside the banana are exactly these remnants of underdeveloped ovules. However, not having seeds means they can't create offspring. So, how does this banana avoid extinction? Fortunately, plants have a way of reproducing beyond seed production, called vegetative reproduction, where a severed part of a plant grows into a new individual. So, by cutting and transplanting suckers that grow from the underground stem to another location, they can grow into new individuals. Thanks to this method of reproduction, seedless bananas can continue to be cultivated without going extinct. Lastly, when you peel a banana, you'll notice this thread-like tissue. This part is the phloem bundle. It serves a role similar to human blood vessels, supplying water and nutrients to the banana as a conducting tissue. You can eat it. This is end of banana dissection. As bananas ripen, their pigments break down and their color changes. During this process, both sweetness and texture change as well. When these brown spots appear to a certain extent, that's when the banana is said to be at its most delicious and rich in antioxidants and nutrients. I cut this perfect banana and gave it to Sebastian. Again, Sebastian showed no interest. If you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing.